Temperature is one of the biggest reasons why your turkey chicks may not be eating. When the temperature is right and they are comfortable, you see that they spread out nicely and evenly, and they also eat well. In my brother house, I use a temperature controller right here, and I'm able to set and regulate the temperature. This metal you see here, this is what causes the heat inside the brooder house. And whenever the turkey chicks are comfortable with the heat, with the temperature, they eat well. So the point is this: when your chicks are well spread, when some of them are jumping around, see that some of them are jumping around, when they are happy and excited, it means that they are comfortable. And when they are comfortable with the temperature or with the brooder house that they are in, they will eat. Take note of that. They will eat. So if your turkey chicks are not eating, the first thing to check is the temperature. Check the temperature and make sure it's the right temperature. Another thing that helps turkey chicks to eat is other chicks' activeness. Naturally, chicks learn from each other. These chicks you are seeing right now, they are all learning from each other. Some of them don't even know what feed is, but when they see that someone else is eating, they too will learn to eat. Turkey chicks are naturally dull. When you have other chicks that are more agile, more active, it helps the turkey chicks to also become active. That is why I have these guinea fowls here. These guinea fowl chicks you see at the corner, those sleeping right there. Right now they are sleeping, so you won't see their activeness. When they wake up and they are moving around, they move around very fast compared to the turkey chicks. So the guinea fowls help the turkey chicks in here to be active, and that activeness helps them to eat. It stimulates their eating. So all you have to do turkey, if you have turkey chicks that are not eating, give it a companion, either a chicken or a guinea fowl, or sometimes you can even give it other turkeys. When you have other turkeys of slightly higher age that know how to eat, that would also help the chicks to eat. Another thing you can do if your chicks are not eating is to spread the feed on a paper. Sometimes the feeder you are using is not okay for them. Sometimes when they see that the feed is bundled up in the feeder, they feel they can't identify what the feed is. But when you spread the feed on a sheet of paper, they naturally move towards it and then they want to eat it on the feeder. And similarly, the type of feed you give them is also important. This feed you see is called broiler starter. This is broiler starter, and it's the best feed for day-old turkeys. It has a lot of protein and helps to build them from this young age. When you give them this feed, it gives them the strength to continue to eat. That's why it's very important to start with the right feed. Okay, guys, so if your chicks are not eating, try these three simple steps. Check the temperature, give them companions that are more active, or put some of the feed on a paper or a flat object and put it on the floor rather than only the feed in the tray, and you see improvement. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.